Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting online and ready. Plug the phone in, join a stable Wi-Fi network, and make sure battery is over 50% so updates won't interrupt. Next, sign in with your Google account credentials and be ready to confirm any two-step verification prompts. This is why backup codes help. Once signed in, allow Google Play services and basic permissions so Gmail can sync. Make sure time and date are correct. Otherwise, authentication tokens may fail. Once your account is active, force a sync. Go to Settings, Accounts, choose your Google account and tap Sync Now. Verify email, contacts, and calendar are toggled on. Then open Play Store and update Google Play services and the Gmail app so you have the latest fixes and security patches. If you use a desktop or third-party mail client, enable IMAP or POP in Gmail web settings so devices can fetch mail. If syncing stalls, clear the Gmail app cache and retry. That often unblocks corrupted temporary data. Finish by opening Gmail and verifying your inbox and labels are present. Compose and send a test message to confirm sending and receiving. Make sure notifications and sync frequency in the Gmail app are set to push or automatic so new mail arrives promptly. If you still see issues, remove the Google account from settings, reboot the device, then re-add the account. This refreshes tokens and permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: always confirm device date and time are correct, because wrong time breaks off.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.